Linking your bank account to Studio Bank is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your finances efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Access the Studio Bank app. Download and install the Studio Bank app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and log into your existing account or create a new one if you haven't done so. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. After logging in, locate the Account Settings option within the app. This is usually found in the menu or Profile section. Click on it to proceed to the Account Management area. Step 3. Select Link Bank Account. In the Account Settings, look for the option to link a bank account. This may be labeled as Link Bank Account or Add Bank Account. Click on this option to start the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank details. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and verify. After entering your bank details, you may need to confirm the linking process through a verification step. This could involve receiving a verification code via email or text. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Studio Bank, allowing you to manage your finances with ease. If you encounter any issues, refer to the app's help section or contact customer support for assistance.